Good morning. Ira Epstein, and here we are with your morning flash update. And this update is for the morning of Wednesday, and we're at the 29th of March, 2023. And let me check my clock, 8:22 a.m. Central Time. So let's go to the morning news, and then we'll come into what's going on in the markets, because you got a little bit of interesting action going on there. So as we take a look at first the news of the day, the mortgage market headline numbers, you would think that you saw improvements, and you did. The index up 2.9%, the purchase index up 2%, and the refi up 4.8%. And if you're driving and you're listening on your car and you hear these ads about mortgages, every one of them I'm hearing now, and we build in special deals for your refi as you do that. There'll be no points on this or that. So what the market has done is just what we talked about. It is making the adjustment. You're in the home buying season. Today we're going to get some important numbers with that. We're going to get the National Association of Realtors, the February pending home sales. The ones I'm really going to be interested in, of course, are the March, the April, the May, as we're in the full swing into the spring. But we'll see what that does. They're looking for it off 3% after a gain in January of 8.1%. Now that gain in January, Christmas time, interest rates did their one break and everybody rushed for it. So we'll see what goes on. Treasury Secretary Yellen testifies to the House Appropriations Committee this morning, and you know she'll be asked about banking, I'm sure of that. Federal Reserve Vice Chair Supervisor Barr, he'll be back on and talking to the House Committee on Financial Services. I don't know if they're going to have more of the FDIC and the other people there. We'll see who's all attending. Petroleum stocks at 9:30, and if you saw the API numbers yesterday, they were a whopping surprise. They were down sharply in every category, and what that did is it kicked up, as you can see, just about everything. Now, we have sold off in gasoline already 2 cents from the peak there, but you can see how strong you are in Brent and crude. Our energy secretary came out today. She's in Puerto Rico and talking about, maybe, just maybe, there'll be something we can do at the end of the year in buying for the strategic reserve. Nonsense. She doesn't know what she's doing. Neither does Biden on this matter, okay? You got to sell 26 million barrels, and she's talking about that, of the strategic reserve. Do a wash sale. You have the money you were supposed to be buying to replace. Buy it yourself. Comes out for Congress in one hand, you buy it for yourself on the other. It doesn't disappear, and you keep the 26 million. Are these people stupid? What the hell is wrong with them? As you take a look at the gold and the silver market, you have to wonder, okay, we've come up nicely. Is this a little bit of a break? Yeah, but I think silver's still got the industrial bid, and copper showing that it's keeping that. The stock market, I think, is very comfortable with the fact that we're out of the banking crisis until the next shoe drops, if it drops. And you're getting the bids back into this market, and I think that's important. Dollar indexes, you can see up on that news as well. So you put it all together, should be an interesting day. Remember, if you want to see any of our free offers, take advantage of them. Just move your cursor up here. Free offers icon up here. Give it a click, and away you go. I'm Ira Epstein. Have a great trading day. I will talk to you all at the end of the day with our market wrap-ups. Take care.